Good afternoon. Today is Saturday, the 9th of November. This is Seattle. I'm currently going northbound on State Route 99 heading into Seattle. And I'm about to enter the Alaskan Way Tunnel, the SR-99 replacement tunnel, the Landis, Bertha Knight Landis Tunnel, Landis. I don't know how to say her name. We're entering the new tunnel, going under the city. Since it opened in February, there has been no toll. It has been toll-free. And as of today, the toll is now in effect. And we're going to go through it and check it out and see, is it quiet? Is it busy? What's the situation? So on. My impression so far is that it's a little quieter than it might normally be. The city, I believe, is predicting about 30% diversion as a result of the toll, which is to say traffic will exit onto Alaskan Way, go through the city, and then rejoin 99 to avoid paying the toll. That's understandable. So this signage is brand new today. I'm going to exit at Republican, which is a right-hand exit, right as the tunnel ends on the north side of the city. Again, I am going northbound. You can see on the right T-Mobile Park there, formerly known as Safeco, and then CenturyLink on the right. And we're heading into downtown. You can see the Rainier Tower under construction on the left. Tunnel tolling now active. So there we go. I didn't see the sign, but I think it's at $1, something like that. I think it'll be more expensive on weekdays. Of course, on the weekends, it's a little quieter. I do apologize about the rain. It's the first rainy day we've had in quite a long time. I think this October into November stretch of 2019 here in Seattle has been one of the driest parts of the year so far. It's pretty impressive, because normally it rains just about every day during October and November, so not bad. I do apologize for the bumps. This is kind of a bumpy tunnel. I don't really know how that ended up happening. It's kind of an uncomfortable surface. So I hope my stabilization on my phone is doing okay. These are supposedly speed limit signs. They look nothing like speed limit signs. I have no idea how they think they're enforceable, but so be it. At least they're white. They used to be yellow. That's their effort to make them more compliant or something. So we're going about 47 right now, 47 miles an hour, which is pretty typical for the tunnel. If it's really quiet, traffic will flow through at about 60 to 70. During this time of day, it's a little quieter, so it's understood to be a different situation right now. So you saw the advanced exit signage just back there. So I'm going to exit at the next junction. So I might as well get over here. So the sign on the left, you can see the distances between the emergency exits in the tunnel, of which there are many. It's quite a little ingenious thing. I believe it's required by law. Yes, come in, Mr. Diesel X5. In the third, here we go. Getting on the last little slog. Now you'll also see as we exit this tunnel a recent change by the city of Seattle. The exit to Republican used to be kind of a one-lane exit that people made into two lanes because of the backups to turn left and go straight. But the city, or rather the state, was having trouble correctly tolling people from the cameras during testing period, and so they had to kind of narrow the exit with these pylons. So you'll be able to see that in a second. So that way, make sure everybody stayed in one lane so they got hit by the camera. Here we go. Yes, $1. There we go. Maybe there wasn't a sign at the entrance. So now we're going to turn right. It's another change here. Is a no turn on red sign, I believe, was installed here just recently. Yes, there is. Bit annoying, but you know, for pedestrians' sake, I understand. So there we go. Seems to be pretty nice. No problems with the tunnel. This exit's usually pretty backed up. Then again, it is just before 1600 on a Saturday, so it's not a busy time of day anyway. So we'll have to come back and check it out on a weekday, but thumbs up so far. Thanks for tuning in.